India, Sri Lanka seeks to reset ties in the time of polls and pandemic. In the times of polls and pandemic, okay. India and Sri Lanka are beginning their ties with each other because you all know that Sri Lanka, one of the island of Sri Lanka, that is Hambantota, is being occupied by China. Is being occupied by China uh, by taking that island on lease for 99 years. For 99 years, they have taken that island on lease because Sri Lanka was not able to pay the rent. Was not able to pay the debt. Sorry, debt. The correct word will be debt. Was not able to pay the debt. That's why now Sri Lanka, the president of Sri Lanka, the election is coming, and you all know that Tamils live in the area of majority part of northern part of Sri Lanka. Tamil live over there. Okay, so in the northern part of Sri Lanka, Tamils live. So that's why because of election, the Sri Lanka is making good ties with India because they want Indian vote bank. That is Tamils vote bank. Okay, that is Tamils vote bank because Tamils are having a huge population in the northern part of Sri Lanka. So that's why they are focusing on in India. Basically, they are focusing on India and they are trying to make good relations with India. Okay. Know about East Container Terminal. We will read about it. RBI signs 400 million currency swap for Sri Lanka. Okay, we have signed currency swap with Sri Lanka. Next, what does currency swap means? What does currency swap means? Basically, Sri Lanka will take our money. That is rupiah. That is rupee. That is rupee. Yeah, Sri Lanka will take our rupee in exchange of their dollars. In exchange of their dollars, Sri Lanka will take our rupee. Okay, so that in this way, our rupee basically dominates. Okay, our rupee is now dominating in many of the countries, like Arab countries. Our rupee is dominating because they have accepted our rupee as a exchange medium of exchange. Because in all over the world, what happens? Yes, Sri Lanka. What I'm telling you about it. Okay, what happens in all over the world that they have their own currency, but one single currency is there for the whole world to exchange with each other, to exchange with each other. Because one currency, that is dollar. Dollar is world famous, and many of the other currencies like pound, okay, these are the major dominating currency, and dollar is the most dominating currency. That is the currency of USA basically. Okay, that is the currency of USA. So dollar is the most dominating currency all over the world, because if you want something, then you will have to pay in dollars, not in rupees. You will have to exchange rupees into dollar. Okay, that is 70 rupees for $1. 70 rupees for $1 approximately इतने ही है. ठीक है. 70 rupees for $1. So in this way you will have to change the currency and take the dollar, and then you will have to pay to other country. Then you will have to pay for the other country. What does currency swap means? That you will not need to pay in terms of dollars. Okay, in terms of dollar you will not have to pay. You can pay in your own currency, that is Indian rupee. Next is paper 3, economy. Financial stability report, July 2020. What is NPA? Non performing assets. Okay,